Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of your health. Today I have come up with the topic chapter 6 Adjectives part 3 of your book English Grammar class 1. We have already studied in detail about adjectives. But again we will have a quick recap. So let's start our class. So in this video we will know about describing words or adjectives. Describing words are only called adjectives. And why these are called describing words? Because these words describe the noun. They tell us something about the noun. It can be a quality of noun. It can be a point about a noun or information about the noun. So these words describe noun. That's why we call them describing words. So let's have a quick recap. Look at this slide carefully. What do you see? In this picture there is a girl who is sad and there is another girl who is happy. So what do we learn? There are two words, sad and happy. How the girl is? The girl is sad. And how the another girl is? The girl is happy. So these two words, sad and happy, are opposite of each other, plus they describe the condition of the girl, the feelings of the girl, whatever she is feeling at the moment. So these are describing words. Now there are some words which define adjectives or describing words. So what are adjectives? An adjective is something which describes a noun. And what are those words which describes a noun? Taste, which means sweet, bitter, sour. These are tastes. Color, red, blue, yellow, black. Smells, nice smelling, sweet smelling, good smelling. Odor, bad smelling. Smells, looks pretty, looks beautiful, looks ugly. These are the words which define the looks. Size, big, gigantic, small, dwarf, tiny. These are the words which define the size. Feels soft, feels hard, feels rough, feels smooth. These are the words which describe how the something is felt. Sounds, quiet, loud. These are the sounds. How many? 2 flowers, 4 flowers, 10 flowers, many flowers. Behavior, funny, rude, polite. All these are the words which describe the situation, the condition, the feeling, or how a noun appears, appearances and all. That's why these words are called adjectives or describing words. Now we know very well what are adjectives. But if someone asks you to define the adjective in definite words, how you will do that? Well, the definition of adjective is that adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. एडजेक्टिव वो वर्ड है जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है या उसके बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर, बिग हाउस. So how the flower is? Beautiful. How the house is? big. So these words are giving us more information about the flower and about the house. They are describing the flower and describing the house. So through adjectives we get more information about the noun or pronoun. In this slide I have written some adjective words together. Let's read and try to understand. First, adjectives are describing words, as I told you in earlier slide also. For example, my cape is red, shiny, flexible and strong. What is cape, students? The Supermans wear a cloth around their neck which keep flying, like Mr. America or the Iron Man or the Batman. That cloth is called cape. So here the Superman is saying that my cape is red, means color, shiny, how it looks, flexible, how is the texture, and strong. Adjectives are usually used with nouns to change them or give more information about them. Here are some more. So the examples are beautiful, handsome, important, famous, grumpy, calm, jolly, straight, gigantic, tiny, thundering, delightful, ancient, young, prickly, creepy, heavy, empty. These are the words normally we listen in our daily life and we also use them. And all these words are the examples of adjectives. So what are the important facts we have learned about the adjectives in earlier slides? That adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective answers. What does it answer? What kind? कोई भी चीज कैसी है? Which one? कौन सी है? If we have to point out towards someone or we have to tell about someone particular, we will use adjectives. How many are they? Which means number. For example, what kind? Happy dog. What kind of dog? Happy dog. Tired boy. Which boy? The boy who looks tired. Tired boy. How many? 7 girls. How many girls? 7 girls. So the words circled with the red color are the example of adjectives. Now here is an activity which you can do with your friend to understand the adjective. Discuss with your partner which word is an adjective. Adjectives describes a noun. Example, the pretty girl ate an apple. Now if I ask you which word is adjective here, what will you tell? The pretty girl ate an apple. Who ate an apple? The pretty girl. Who is noun here? Girl. What pretty tells us? Pretty tells us that the girl is pretty. How the girl is? The girl is pretty. So the word pretty is giving us more information about the noun girl. So we are getting more knowledge about the noun girl. So pretty is a describing word here. Now this is time for adjectives. As we have already understood what the adjectives are and we have seen many examples also, now we will solve the exercises given in your book, and I have made some activities also for you so that you can solve and learn from them. So let's start the exercises. This is our first exercise given in your book. Describe the adjectives in the following sentences. Sentences are given. We have to find out the adjective words and we have to underline them. So let's start. The first sentence is, the man has a new watch. What type of watch the man have? New. So here the word new gives us more information about watch, which is a noun. Exercise is good for health. What is good for health? Exercise. Here good is adjective. This mango is sweet. How the mango is? Sweet. So here word sweet is giving us more information about the fruit mango, and mango is noun here. Number 4, these are pretty clothes. How the clothes are? Pretty. So the word pretty is giving us more information about the noun clothes. Number 5, he is playing with a blue balloon. With what is playing? With the blue balloon. Here balloon is a noun and the word blue is giving us more information about balloon. So this is a describing word. This is the next activity given in your grammar book. Look at the picture below and write the suitable adjectives for the given nouns. So a picture is given and nouns are also given. We have to choose a suitable adjective of our choice. So for the same noun we can use multiple adjective words. So let's start. The first one is apples. So I have written red apples. It can be juicy apples, fresh apples, shiny apples, tasty apples, anything. The second one is grapes. Sour grapes, or we can say sweet grapes, or green grapes, purple grapes, fresh grapes. Now comes coconuts. Hard coconuts, milky coconuts, sweet coconuts, fresh coconuts. Mangoes. For mangoes also we can use multiple adjectives. Here I have used ripe mangoes. Ripe means paka hua. Or juicy mangoes, yellow mangoes, tasty mangoes, big mangoes. So many words we can use for the same noun. Now comes oranges. Sweet oranges or sour oranges or orange colored oranges, big size oranges, fresh oranges. All these words, all these describing words we can use for the given nouns. This activity is also the continuation of the last activity, where we have seen the pictures and given a suitable adjective for the given noun. Here also a family is sitting and the nouns are already given. We have to write a suitable adjective. Girl. How the girl is? Pretty girl or small girl or beautiful girl or cute girl or intelligent girl or happy girl. Any word we can use. Man. I have written tall man or a smart man or a well-educated man. Teddy, soft teddy, cute teddy, new teddy, brown teddy, big teddy, small teddy. Any word we can use. Dash boy, cute boy A happy boy, small boy, intelligent boy, strong boy, thin boy, tall boy, any word we can use. Now the woman, beautiful woman, or a happy woman, or a pretty woman, or a smart woman. Any adjective word we can use to describe these nouns. This is the last activity given in your English grammar book, chapter 6. Read the names of the colors and color the balloon accordingly. I have already colored the balloons. Where blue was written, I have colored them blue. Where red was written, I have colored the balloon red. Where green was written, I have colored the balloon green. Where yellow was written, I have colored the balloon yellow. Where white was written, I have colored the balloon white. And where pink was written, I have colored the balloon pink. In the same way, you will also color the balloons given in your book. Now this is time for homework. I hope you have understood the topic well. You have to complete all the exercises in your English grammar book in a very neat handwriting. Write date. Number 2, revise and practice all the exercises we have done in the book. Then only you will be able to understand the concept. If there is anything you are not able to understand, you can watch the video again, as the link will be shared by your class teacher. So complete your work nicely. So this is it for today. Here we have completed chapter 6 part 3. We have completed all the exercises of this chapter. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can go through the video. The link will be provided to you by your class teacher in the broadcast group. Complete all the work neatly in your English grammar book. Take care of your health. Eat well, sleep well and play well. Take care. Bye-bye. We will meet again with the video of chapter 7.